Okay, we're in the pulley. I've created these 3 different configurations and suppressed the names, set the tree views for the names, etc. And I'm now editing sketch 1. I'm going to change it to an 8-inch pulley, but before I hit enter, you got these different, you can apply it to this configuration, which is the default. All configurations are specify one, so it's good to know. So, and apparently it's by default set to all configurations, I think. So, anyway.
We're going to create a different pattern.
Okay, I've kind of drawn this thing, put 2 3-point arcs here. I have 2 circles first that I drew in construction line. Then I put, 2 lines between them, a line through the midpoints of those arcs. Set these equal. Dimension this to be 1 inch. Now I'm going to apply a collinear relationship. Oh, fuck.
2 1 inch.
I'm gonna, I forgot to add this dimension here, 30 degrees. Oh, God damn it. Fuck! You son of a bitch! No, I don't want to be in goddamn dimension mode. Fuck. Goddamn menus. Fuck. Okay. This is bullshit. Okay, it finally worked. Don't know why, but anyway, I changed these from construction to regular lines. That shouldn't have affected anything. But anyway, whatever. The only other thing I did before I did that, is I actually grabbed the damn line and tried moving it, before I applied that collinear relationship. That's the only fucking other thing I did. Otherwise it wouldn't work. This program is really fucking, I don't know, buggy or poorly designed or something. I had real problems with this stupid circular pattern command getting it to work. Anyway.
Sketch.
Yeah, I just changed the 6-inch pulley now. So it's 8-inch, 6-inch, and 4-inch. Yeah, but you do, every time you change these damn dimensions, you gotta select this configuration every fucking time. I don't know why it wouldn't be that way by default. It's ridiculous. Okay, and on 6-inch pulley, I selected a circular pattern. If you zoom in here to the middle of it, you can see there's a 4. That's for 4 instances, and 360 is the length of the pattern. But you can configure the dimensions, and this part number you can hit it to 5 and hit OK. Okay, and that added 5 holes instead of 4. Now I do actually understand, at first I was kind of pissed, but I think I understand why that kept asking you for this configuration, because we were editing a dimension. And that dimension may have been common to one or more parts, so that's why, because when we created this pulley, I created them all and they were all identical, So, and then we went in and started modifying them, but that means that it inherited all these dimensions. Since we're just editing a sketch, that's why we had to say this dimension as, this instance, as opposed to, the other, all instances or whatever. It's what was defaulting to all instances because the dimension was originally common to all instances. So that's why we're having to do that. So it's not really as ridiculous as I was thinking. Although, because again, because these properties weren't suppressed, just like this property here, that's why we're able to edit that, and we had to go into that dimension editor so we could choose whether it applies to just this instance or all instances when I change the number of holes in this, because this same feature is common to all three of these. So it has that same revolve feature in all of them. That's what brought up that checklist, of the instances that feature exists in. So that's kind of what was going on. So it actually makes sense